Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn SuperTrend. Okay, so what is called SuperTrend and how can we use the SuperTrend in our daily trading? Okay, so as the name implies, SuperTrend is a trading indicator created by Olivier Seban to find the buying and selling opportunities in the market. Okay, and also the name implies it's a trend following indicator, or we can say it as a trend indicator. Okay, so it is highly effective in trading markets with the defined trend. So we can understand whether the trend is bullish or bearish if we use the super trend in our trading. All right, so it is an overlay indicator. An overlay indicator means it is plotted on the price chart itself. Okay, so we can see this particular indicator in the candles. We can see on the price chart itself. All right, we can see here this red and the green. This is called the super trend. Okay, and we can see how to plot the super trend with the different multiplier and ATR levels. The fundamental expectation of super trend indicator is to highlight the trade signals. All right, and also the super trend, this red and green line will act as the support and resistance levels too. So if you are using particular indicator in our trading, we should know what are the characteristics of the particular indicator and how to use the particular indicator in order to hold our trades, whether to enter into the short or the long trade. We should understand how much accuracy is there for the particular indicator. Okay, so super trend is a versatile indicator and it can be used as a stand-alone indicator to buy and sell when signals arise. Alright, and we can use this particular indicator sync with other existing trading strategy as a confirmation tool. We can choose to use it only to plan our exits by trailing our stop loss. And super trend is an indicator that is simply enough for anyone to understand and start using right away. So any new trader can start using the super trend indicator. So when used approximately, it can create a tremendous positive change in your trading process. So we can see what is the formula for calculating the super trend. So first is for bullish, that if you are entering into the long trade, equal to high plus low divided by 2 plus multiplier into ATR. So for bearish, that is if you are entering into the short trade, equal to high plus low divided by 2 minus multiplier into ATR. So this is the super trend calculation. All right, so this here we have two factors under the inputs, that is ATR length and the factor. So this is the multiplier. So ATR length we can change. Also we can change the factor, that is a multiplier also we can change. All right, so we can see what is the red and the green line in the super trend indicates. Okay, so here this is the red line and this is the green line. So the green arrow indicates the buy signal. So if the price is above the green, means it indicates the trend is bullish. The red arrow denotes the sell signal. So the green line above the price, okay, the candlestick shows that the stock or future or options is an uptrend. So the red line above the price, here we can see the red line above the price, okay, denotes that the stock or future or options is in the downtrend. Okay, and we can use the super trend in any time frame. We can change that to 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour time frame. Any time frame we can use in order to find the trend of the particular stock or option or the futures. All right. So here this is the super trend. So whether if the price is below this red line, means the trend is bearish, and if the price is above the green line, means the overall trend is bullish. Depends upon which type of trader we are and the time frame which we are using. All right, so we can see now how the multiplier and the ATR we are going to use for different time frames and different strategies also. Next is how to set the super trend indicator. Okay, the super trend works with the input of two values. First is the period and the second is a multiplier. So we can keep changing this period and multiplier, depends upon the time frame or depends upon which trader we are. So the period is the number of days chosen to calculate the ATR. It is the first value in the bracket. Next is a multiplier. Multiplier is a value with which the ATR will be multiplied, and it is a second value in the bracket. So under inputs we can see the ATR length is the period and factor is the multiplier. So by default it is chosen as 10 and 3. So we can keep changing this ATR length and the factor. All right. So this trading view, this is Nifty chart and I have added the super trend. So when we click on the settings, okay, under inputs, ATR length and factor, ATR length is the period and factor is the multiplier. So here by default it is 10 and 3. So we are going to change this as 7 and 3. Okay. So, and the time frame we are going to use is 15 minutes. Okay. So, we can use the super trend alone to enter into the trade, and you can also use the super trend with other indicators to give more confirmation for your trading. Okay. So, here I will show you how can we enter into the trade based on the super trend. Alright. So here we can see that the price opened on 4th June here, and we can see that the super trend is red in color, means the overall trend is bearish. So we can consider entering into the short trade. So price below the super trend indicates that the trend is bearish, and price above this green line indicates that the trend is bullish. So here, unless the price is trading below the super trend indicates that overall trend is bearish. So we can wait for the red candle in order to enter into the short trade. Okay. So when can we enter into the long trade based on the super trend? We can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Above this green candle, we can consider entering into the long trade, because here we can see the super trend. There is one resistance line here. So above this green line, we can enter into the long trade. Also, super trend also changed into green. Okay. So if we are entering into the long trade above this candle, we can keep trailing our profits. This is the Nifty 5 minutes time frame. Here the super trend, the 8-year length is 7 and factor is 3. So we are going to use the 8-year length as 7 and factor as 3. Okay, for the same time frame, 5 minutes time frame. All right. So here we can see this particular example. The price opened, that is on June 6th. The price opened a little gap up, and the overall trend is bullish. Okay. So we can understand the super trend line is already there, this green line. So if the price is breaking below this line, then only the overall trend will change from bullish to bearish. And after that, we can see that the red candle, we got a red candle, and after that the trend changed to bearish, but it was on this little consolidation phase. Okay. So here one line is already formed. Okay. And after that, the price took support at this super trend, and we got a green candle above the super trend. So the overall trend again changed to bullish. All right. So we can consider entering into the long trade above this green candle, and we can keep trailing our profits till the super trend is giving a close below the super trend giving a close below the red. So we can keep trailing our profits till this much. So or else if you enter into the trade, and if you got like points like 40 or 50 points or even 100 points, you can keep trailing your profits. So this is the use of the super trend. So in this video, I'm not telling any strategies. I'm telling how can we enter into the trade and how can we trail our profits. That is how to use the super trend. That is what I'm going to teach you today. So here we can see that the super trend is in the red and overall trend is bearish, and we are entering into the short trade. So we will not be entering into the long trade based on the super trend. So we'll be entering into the long trade if we are getting any green candle above this particular line. This is the resistance line. So again, we are getting one more opportunity to enter into the short trade. We got a spinning top candle here at the resistance level for the super trend. So we can consider entering into the short trade, keeping the high of this red candle as stop loss. Again, we can enter into the short trade. Okay. So this is how we have to use the super trend in our trading. So if you enter into the short trade, we got nice down move after that. So again, we got one more trade here because price opened gap down and overall trend also bearish. So we'll be considering entering into the short trade. We'll be booking our profits. So we got 2 trades here. Okay. Now we understood how to use the super trend in our trading, and we can keep changing the time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or even we can change that to even 3 minutes also. Based on that, the support and resistance level will also get changed. Okay. So in my next video, I will show you how to use multiple super trends. That is, here we have used only one super trend. My next video, I will show you how to use multiple super trend in order to enter into the trades. So that will give more accuracy. So in this video, we have understood what is super trend and how to use the super trend as support and resistance, and how to keep trailing our profits, and how to find the resistance level. Here we can see there is a resistance level. So we will not be entering into the long trade. So these are the things we have understood. So we will see how can we use the super trend, that is multiple super trend, and we can also use triple super trend also. That is 3 super trends will be using. So I will post those videos in my upcoming videos. All right. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.